Hello and welcome to your English learning community. My name is Emma, and I am so happy to have you here today. This is a special place where beginners like you can feel safe, supported, and confident while practicing English listening skills. Today's video is made just for you, for beginner English listening practice. The conversations in this video are slow, clear, and very easy to follow. I know it can be difficult to understand fast English, but don't worry. In this video, you will hear simple sentences, clear words, and you will have enough time to listen and understand every word naturally. I have a little challenge for you. Stay with me till the very end of this video. I promise, by the time we finish, you will feel more confident and comfortable when listening to English conversations. And the best part is, there are no difficult words, no complicated sentences. Everything is beginner-friendly and made for you. So, get ready, relax, and let's enjoy this easy and fun English listening practice together. Are you ready? Let's begin. A Day in a Vegetable Market. Chapter 1. The Morning Rush. It was early morning in a small town in India. The sky was still a soft shade of pink, and a cool breeze carried the smell of fresh coriander and wet mud. The narrow street of the vegetable market was already coming alive. Sellers spread out their green plastic sheets. Baskets of red tomatoes, shiny brinjals, bright green chilies, and bundles of spinach filled the stalls. Crows cawed from the electric wires above, and customers slowly started to arrive. Raju, a cheerful man in his early 30s, was busy arranging fresh tomatoes at his stall. He wore a loose kurta and a big smile. His hands moved fast, but his mouth moved faster. "Array Banti," he called out to his younger brother, who was lazily carrying a basket of onions. "Move faster, or these onions will grow roots waiting for you." Banti, a thin boy of about 20, yawned loudly. "Bhaiya, it's too early. Even the sun isn't fully up." Raju laughed. "The sun will rise, but our shop should shine first." The market was now buzzing with sounds. Sellers shouting prices, customers bargaining, and children running around. The smell of fresh vegetables mixed with the aroma of nearby tea stalls. Just then, a sharp voice called out, "Oye Raju Bhaiya. Are these tomatoes fresh or are they from your old stock?" Raju turned and grinned. It was Vicky, a smart teenager from the neighborhood. He loved to tease Raju and test his bargaining skills. "These are so fresh, Vicky Beta. They'll still be dreaming of their plant." Raju joked. Vicky laughed. "We'll see. I'll be back to check your rates." And with a wink, Vicky walked ahead, leaving Raju shaking his head with a smile. Chapter 2. Trouble with the customer. Within an hour, the market grew crowded. The sun slowly climbed, and the noise doubled. Raju's stall was doing well. Customers picked up ladyfingers, cauliflowers, and shiny red carrots. Suddenly, a loud, angry voice cut through the air. 70 rupees for a kilo of beans? Are you trying to rob me?" An old man with a wrinkled face and a cloth bag in hand stood at Raju's stall, fuming. Raju stayed calm. He had seen many like this. Baba, these are the best beans in the market. See for yourself. Fresh, no spots, no old stock. I'll give 50, the old man declared. Baba, I can't. I bought them for 65 myself. At 70, I barely make 5 rupees. The old man grumbled, looked around, and finally nodded. Fine, but give me a little extra. Raju smiled and added a small handful. For your health, Baba. Banti, watching from the side, muttered, some customers only know how to shout. Raju replied softly, every coin matters, Banti. We're all trying to fill our stomachs. And with that, he waved to the next customer. Chapter 3. Rohan's School Project. By mid-morning, a small boy appeared near the stall, carrying a notebook and pencil. He had neatly combed hair, a school badge on his shirt, and curious eyes. Bhaiya, are you Raju? He asked politely. Yes, beta. And you are? I'm Rohan. I have a school project. I need to learn about vegetables. Raju's face lit up. He loved children. Very good. Come here. See these. These are tomatoes. We call them tomatar. Good for your eyes and skin. Rohan scribbled quickly. Banti came over. And these are bangan, brinjals. My least favorite, he joked. Rohan giggled. Why? Because they look like purple eggs and taste like nothing. Banti laughed. Raju chuckled. Don't listen to him. Bangan bharta is delicious. Ask your mother. For the next 10 minutes, Raju showed Rohan different vegetables. Lauki, bottle gourd. Karela, bitter gourd. Palak, spinach, and more. He also taught him tips. Beta, to check fresh bindi, break the tip. If it snaps easily, it's fresh. Rohan nodded, writing it all down. Banti added, and never buy cabbage with black spots. They all laughed, and Rohan thanked them. Come again, Professor Saab. Raju called as Rohan left. Chapter 4. The Midday Heat. By noon, the sun was harsh. The market turned into a furnace. Sellers covered their heads with towels, and customers carried umbrellas. Raju wiped his forehead with a cloth. Banti sat on an upturned basket, fanning himself with a cardboard piece. Bhaiya, it's so hot. Even the cucumbers are sweating, Banti joked. Just then, a loud argument broke out between two vendors over a customer. You stole my customer. No, he came to me. Abuses followed. People gathered. The market manager arrived, calming them down. Raju sighed. Every day, some new drama. Banti grumbled, and we are melting in this heat. But Raju just poured water over his head and smiled. This is our life, Banti. Smile and sell. Chapter 5. Vicky's Bargaining Game. At 1 p.m., Vicky returned, a mischievous grin on his face. Raju Bhaiya, ready for my challenge? Raju laughed. Bargaining again? I'll get the best rate today. Let's see, Raju teased. Vicky pointed to the cucumbers. How much? 40 rupees a kilo. Too much. I'll give 20. Then take 2 and go home. Raju winked. Banti laughed. Even a crow won't sell you at 20. They went back and forth. 35, 25, 30. Finally, Raju gave in. Fine, 30 rupees, but only for you. Vicky grinned. Victory. He paid and left, waving. Raju shook his head. This boy will become a politician. Chapter 6. A lesson in hard work. Rohan returned in the afternoon, his notebook now half full. Bhaiya, you're still working? Beta, this is how we earn our bread. Rohan looked thoughtful. It's so hot. And you haven't eaten. Raju smiled, sitting down. Life is not easy, Beta. Every day we fight heat, rude customers, and little profits. But we work because someone has to. Banti added, and because nobody else will do it for us. Rohan asked, isn't it hard? Raju nodded. Yes. But every job is important. Whether you're a seller or a doctor. He placed a hand on Rohan's head. Study hard, Beta. Respect everyone. The man who drives a taxi, the lady who sweeps the road, and the boy selling lemons. Rohan's eyes filled with tears. I will, Bhaiya. Chapter 7. Closing the day. By evening, the market began to empty. Leftover vegetables were packed, stalls closed, and sellers counted their earnings. Raju checked his notes. Less than yesterday. Banti sighed. Too many bargain hunters. But Raju laughed. Some days you sell, some days you learn. He saw Rohan waving goodbye. Don't forget what I told you. Raju called. I won't, Bhaiya. Rohan replied. As Raju and Banti packed up, Vicky passed by on his cycle. See you tomorrow, Raju Bhaiya. Come early, or I'll double the price. Raju teased. The brothers walked home, tired but hopeful. Rohan, at home, wrote the last line in his notebook. Life is like a market. Some days you sell, some days you learn. Raju Bhaiya, thank you for watching. You did a great job. I'm so happy you learned with me. You tried your best today. Learning English is fun. I know you can do it. Thank you for your time. I appreciate your hard work. You are learning so much. Keep practicing. Every little bit helps. Remember, a bonus tip for you. Listen to English songs. Yes, it's true. Find some easy songs. Sing along. This will help you learn. It's a fun way to practice. You can learn new words. You can understand English better. Music is great. Give it a try. Learning English takes time. Don't worry about mistakes. Mistakes help you learn. Just keep trying. Keep listening. Keep speaking. You will get better and better. I am so proud of you all. You are doing a fantastic job. Learning a new language is amazing. Keep up the good work. You are doing great. I believe in you. Remember to practice every day. Even a little bit helps. You can do this. Don't give up. You are doing wonderfully. I'm so impressed with your effort. Now it's time to say goodbye. Thank you again for watching. It was so much fun learning with you. I had a great time today. Thank you for being here. I hope you learned a lot. I will see you soon. Bye bye. Have a wonderful day. Keep practicing your English. You got this. Don't forget to smile. Learning is fun.